Somebody paid $37,000 for a vending machine. The same machine you can buy for $800. That's not a business. That's the trap. And there's a version of it in every cheap business people tell you to start. Last video, I showed you what boring businesses sell for. Hundreds of thousands to millions. This one's the other end. The stuff you can actually start this month for under $5,000. Cleaning, pressure washing, detailing, vending, real numbers, what it really costs, and then the back half. The part that really matters. The traps. Because for every one of these, there's somebody waiting to sell you the done-for-you version and take your money. Stay for that part. That's the part that saves you $5,000, a whole lot of time. Cleaning first, cheapest real door there is. Bare minimum to start, $300 to $500. Supplies and a vacuum, that's it. You want to do it right? Add insurance and an LLC. You're at $800 to $1,500. Liability insurance for a solo cleaner runs $30 to $50 a month. Here's the math that matters. Get 3 to 5 clients bi-weekly. $120 to $150 a clean. Most people cover everything that they spend inside 2 months, and they're making money by month 3. No storefronts, no employees, no inventory. You clean, you get paid, they book you again in 2 weeks. That's the game. Boring, it works. 2, pressure washing. And this one's got a trap built right inside of it. Realistic start about $2,000 to $5,000. A good gas washer, the commercial kind, $300 to $1,000. Insurance, $300 to $1,000 a year. Now, here's where people torch their budget. The trailer. A basic trailer runs about $5,000 by itself. That's your whole budget gone before you've washed a single driveway. And guys buy the trailer first because it looks real. It looks good, professional. And it may, but you don't need it. If the washer fits inside of your truck or your SUV, you're working and you're in business. Buy the trailer with your profits, not with your rent money. That's the difference between starting cheap and going broke looking professional. 3, mobile car detailing. Your gear, $400 to $1,700. Pressure washer, a polisher, a shop vac, a foam cannon, towels, chemicals, and that's all. All in, most people start for $1,500 to $2,500. Insurance, $500 to $900 a year. LLC as low as $50. And most detailers break even the first month. First month. You drive to them, no shop, no lease, the car's the shop. Boring, and it prints from day one if you show up. 4, vending. One machine. A used machine at that, $500 to $3,000. New one, $3,000 to $7,000. Start with one used machine and some product. You're under $3,000 all in. Remember that number, under $3,000 for a machine. Because now we get to the traps. And vending is where the biggest ones live. Here's how people get robbed. The FTC has case after case. Companies selling vending machines for $28,000, $37,500 each. And telling people they make $60,000 to $80,000 a year. The same machine, the one you can buy for $800 to $3,000. And that's the trap. It's not a business. It's a machine with a salesman attached. Classic pitch goes something like, a $1,500 machine will make you $5,300 a year. Lofty. Imagine yourself in a penthouse. Sounds great, actually, until you find out the machine marked up 10 times and the numbers all are made up. Trap 2, the locations. The whole vending game is a location, location, location. A machine in the wrong spot makes absolutely nothing. So the pitch always includes, we'll place your machines for you. Prime locations, exclusive territory. The FTC says lying about this is straight up illegal. It's the most common lie in all these route deals. They sell you the machines, then the locations are a gas station in the middle of nowhere, or they never show up at all. Here's your shield that's going to protect you. If somebody sells you a business opportunity, the law says they have to hand you a one-page disclosure at least 7 days before you pay a dime. And if they promise you any income number, a separate paper is required to back it up. No disclosure paper, walk every time. That paper is the difference between a real deal and a robbery. Trap 3, and this is the modern one, passive income. We run it for you. Amazon automation. You've seen the ads. Pay us 20, 30 grand. We build you an Amazon store. You sit back and the money just comes in. The FTC just took these down one after another. One company, Ascend, took at least $25 million from people. Another one, Click Profit. Amazon shuts down 95% of these stores that they've built. More than 1 in 5 made $0. Zero. Another third made under $2,500 total ever. You paid 20 grand for a store that made nothing. And you now see the pattern. Every trap is the same shape. Big upfront fee, done for you, a specific income promise, and that's the tail. That's always the tail. So here's the whole thing in one line. The businesses are real. The people selling you the businesses are the trap. Look at the real 4. Cleaning, pressure washing, detailing, vending. Couple hundred to a couple grand. Nobody's selling you a course. Nobody's promising you 80 grand a year. Nobody's placing your machines. You know why? Because there's no money in selling you $12 bottle of degreaser. The money for them is in selling you the business. The second that there's a done for you package, an upfront fee, an income number on a slide, the business isn't the business. You are. The guys who actually make it buy the tool, not the pitch. A $300 vacuum in a truck beats a $37,000 machine every single time. And if you're actually about to buy something, the 27 questions I'd run first are in the checklist below. There's a free one-pager too. Take the free one. I don't care. Just don't buy anything without asking the appropriate questions. Every number just presented is from a real FTC case or a real cost breakdown. Links are in the description. Go check it. This channel does real numbers, not dream selling. Next one, I'm taking that septic listing from the first video and pulling it all the way apart. $3 million in contracts, $1 million a year, pumping tanks. Full autopsy, every single number. Subscribe if you want the real math instead of the pitch. Talk to you soon.